In today's video, I'll show you how to install a trainer in Crimson Desert on PC to unlock cheats like Ultimate Health, Money, and other gameplay features. Check my video description for the site link. Scroll down, Hunter standalone versions, select the latest version. Once download done, double click on the exe and select the yes option. Launch the game. Once you are in game, press Alt Tab key and go to open up the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use: infinite health, infinite stamina, infinite sprint, super damage, one hit kills. Once you turn on the cheats, just minimize in one hit enemy die. Just one hit, way more easier. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.